Dual Spray Arm System. Our top and bottom rack dual spray arm system gives you a thorough clean every time. Sanitize Cycle. National Sanitation Foundation certified Sanitize Cycle. Fits up to 8 place settings. Cleans 8 place settings in one cycle. Heated drying system. Heating element helps dry your dishes the first time. 6 cleaning cycle options. Easy to use cleaning cycle options include Energy Saver, Heavy Wash and Rinse, Energy Star certified. Maximize your energy and dollar savings with Energy Star certified appliances. Quiet operation. 52 dBAs lets you run the dishwasher while in the same room. The Frigidaire 18 inches. Built-in dishwasher. While the space-saving design allows you to clean up to 8 place settings in one cycle.